Today we are going to learn how to solve multiplication story sums. Okay, you are going to get these kind of worksheets from us. Okay, so daily you can give to your children. They are going to practice more, learn more. Okay, so let's start the video. Before starting, if you are new to our channel or if you are new to our page, then please do like, share and subscribe, and please follow and subscribe Kidoctive Homeschooling. And if you want any kind of online session, then please let us know. First question is, there are 4 baskets. Each basket has 6 apples. How many apples are there in total? Okay. So, we are going to visualize the thing. Then only the child will know how to do this kind of story sums. Okay. See here, there are how many baskets? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 6 apples. How many apples? One basket having 6 apples. And another basket having 6 apples. Third basket also having 6 apples. 4 basket also having 6 apples. So, multiplications are nothing but repeated addition. So, we are going to represent like this. How many times 6? This is 4 times 6, right? So, 4 multiplied by 6. So, what is the answer? 24. Very good. Now, the second question. A spider has 8 legs. How many legs do 5 spiders have? Okay. One spider has how many legs? 8 legs. So, we have to find out 5 spiders having how many legs? Now see, this is one spider. How many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So, there are how many spiders? Here it is 1, here it is 2, 3, 4 and 5. If one spider having 8 legs, then 5 spider having, yes, we are going to multiply it. Okay. So, 5 multiplied by 8 equals 40, right? Thank you for watching, my little ones. Rest of the story sums you are going to solve, and let me know in the comment section how many you are going to solve by your own without taking your parents' help. Okay? I hope you learn how to solve these kind of story sums.